just finished the LTK masterclass. It was a webinar for, it showed how to do things for like the holiday season to kind of be a little bit more successful for the holiday season. For posting, I've been making barely my 70 posts per month lately, and so that's really good. That is some of the most difficult things to do. They said to which it didn't dawn on me. I mean, I was trying to make content based off of like cute stuff or whatever, but they said to try to do everything as content. And as we, if you're a content creator, you've heard this before, everything is content. But I am just going to start just trying to record everything, which is kind of what I've been doing. That's kind of where I've been getting these 70 posts from, is posting stuff that, like that I share with you guys, or that that we do reels, our Living Noir recaps that we do. I'll post that on there because like you can do kind of mini vlogs and lifestyle and stuff. So I've already been doing that. But it's just, I think the helpful thing of hearing that is to make it more intentional, and that I'm also on the right track. But they also give us a calendar that they show like days where people are shopping and days that are best to post. So like there's a day, I think next like on the 13th, I can't remember what day that is, but I think that's a really good day. I took screenshots of everything that I felt like was important, and so I'm going to post on that. Well, I'm going to post every day. I post every day anyways. Or no, I don't post every day. I get down to the wire and then I start posting like 5 posts a day. But there are some people on this app that post like 20 and 30 times a day. I'm like, where in the world are you getting this content? And then on top of that, like, I mean, you can schedule posts. So the question is not even like, how are you doing that? Except for like, what time in the day are you doing that? Like, I think a lot of these people who are doing that volume of like posts, I think they have like assistants and stuff like that. So I must press, I must continue to push on, because I really want to do well with my LTK, and I do need to start posting my Shop My links as well. And so I thank y'all for shopping our links and stuff like that, because that does help us, and it's affiliate, so we get a little small commission on that. So if you've ever purchased anything through a link of ours, we thank you so much. If you've just gone to look at it, I mean, thank you for that too, just because you're engaging with, our content and stuff. But yeah, so I'll be posting gift guides over there. Like I have right now a holiday fragrance gift guide, some stuff that I'm looking at, stuff that I want to re-up on. If you talk to any of my friends and family and you want to let them know, I have a gift guide over there. Yes, I'm talking extra loud. And let them know I need some more stuff. And it's over there on my LTK. But I'm also going to they gave us an idea to post, to say like it's 10 things that I would ask for as a gift if I didn't have it already. And I think I have enough stuff recorded already that I can just do like a compilation video. Like, y'all, I try my best to not do a whole lot like of recording and stuff like that. While I don't like reusing content, like reposting the content on my actual feed and stuff like that, I am very comfortable with doing a compilation video. So I'll do that likely. And then they also highlighted brands that do very well during this time of the year. And so I need to start, because Macy's is like one of those brands that has like those brand trips and all that kind of stuff. I need to start posting heavy on Macy's. Because I have stuff that you can get from anywhere, including Macy's. And so even if I don't get it from Macy's, I need to start, posting that, posting it through there so that people can shop for, Macy's. So yeah, a lot of things that I already knew, but I think they're gems because they highlighted them, but then also kind of framed them in a way that is digestible for me so that I can implement this into my strategy. And so I really want to do really well in LTK next year. So that's one of my goals, is to up the ante on that. Alicia asked us one time on one of our lives She said, she asked what brand do we want to work with in 2026? Girl, I have it for you, Macy's. I'd like to work with Macy's in 2026. So I need to really, bump up my posting game for them, and then also continue to diversify like my postings for different brands, because they don't recommend that you post just for like 1 or 2 brands. So I'll be doing that as well. So meet me over on LTK, y'all. And you'll see posts that I might not put on my Instagram. Likely I won't put like that on my Instagram, and I likely won't share it over here on YouTube. So you'll be able to get exclusive-ish content from me if you want to. So
hey y'all, so we're about to head out and go and pick up an order from Pottery Barn. We purchased this cute little bear for the living room. It's like a Christmas decoration. Very cute. It's a plaid red bear. It kind of goes along with the plaid theme that we already have going with our pillow in there now in the living room. And so I'm curling my hair, and I was like, you know what, let me show them how I curl my hair. So I've already curled my hair. I don't really have time to like show y'all fully how I curl it. So I'll take the barrel part, and I'll kind of like put heat to the roots of my hair, my real hair. Then I take the clamped part of the barrel, put it on the hair, quickly move it down. So at the base of the curling iron handle is like this swivel part here that it's connected to the cord, and it swivels very easily, and I love that about this curling iron. Curling iron gets up to 450, but I only use it on 400. So, and then I leave it on for leave it curled, or leave the barrel and my hair coiled for like just some seconds. And yeah, that's how I curl it. And then I have been just letting the curls fall, but I don't know, I'm probably gonna just let them fall. Instead of combing them out, let me do this one over. Instead of combing them out, because I really just don't want to like comb my hair out. Clamp it onto the hair, and really it's just bringing it down to like midway the hair. And then as you can see, this is still not all the way in there, but I don't be caring about that, because as I unclamp the hair and move down, it coils into the clamp. So just leaving it clamped in for a couple of seconds, well, more than a couple of seconds, so a little under 10 seconds. And there's that. Okay, then I take my rat tail comb and I blend my hair into the weave hair. I'll sometimes go underneath and blend that way. Just doing anything to kind of, just to make sure that it's blended in. And then I'll take some hairspray. This is the Keyondra Travel. Just kind of spray my hands a little. And that tames flyaways. And then I take this oil and put just a little, like about that much. Rub it in the palms of my hands and put that on my hair as well. And yep, that's that. It will fall later on, but I like when my curls just like fall during the day. They fall really pretty. And yeah, I like it. Okay, that's how I curl my hair.
Hey guys, so Keyondra and I are on our way to a coffee shop. We're doing Living Noir today in a coffee shop, and I can't remember, I think it's 4 or 5 or something like that. And so this is our first time going. So we're gonna of course show you guys some of the stuff, but this is for Living Noir, so you guys will be able to see it Monday when it comes out. Are we posting that one at 5 or at 8?
5.
So we're going to do that at 5 as well. Okay, so everything this month is at 5, so we'll post that one at 5 o'clock on Monday, so you guys will be able to see it.